Hi guys, we're going on to our second lesson from Learning Target 8.2, which is I can display numerical data in plots on a number line, which is what we did last time with our line plots, including dot plots, which is the same thing. You can use dots or you can use X's. Histograms, that's what we're going to be covering today, and box and whisker plots. That will be our third lesson in 8.2. So I hope you have your notes ready and available. If not, you probably want to pause this video and get those up and out for yourself, because I'm going to use the notes to go by. And so first of all, in our notes for histograms, we have definitions. Okay, our first definition is a histogram. A histogram is a type of bar graph used to display numerical data that have been organized into equal intervals. Okay, so again, you can pause this so you can write it down. Okay, the next one is frequency distribution. How much is in each interval? That's what frequency distribution means. How much is in each interval? Okay, so if you look at your notes after you've written all this down, you'll see that there's a box of data there in your notes. And we have to create a frequency distribution and a histogram for the following problems. So